First, you take your video and shrink it to 70%. And then you take the exact same clip and shrink it to 70%. And then apply the flip effect. Then you apply the shape mask tool. And position it where the person in the shot is faded out. Then you match the two videos together as close as possible. Then apply the shaped mask tool to it and then turn it upside down. Then you take a third video and make it as big as possible. Match the skies up as best as you can. Then you highlight on the clip and make it a compound clip. Then you apply the polar effect to the compound clip. There's a cut in the tiny planet go into your compound clip and adjust the placements of your video. Then you have your tiny planet effect.